take this number right here. Normally you would read it as 3,672, but if you slow down, you can hear each part individually. You start with the 3,000. That's pretty easy to hear. Then as you read this next part, the next thing you hear is 600, followed by your 70, and then your 2. It still says 3,672, but when you break it apart like this, it makes it a lot easier for you to write it in expanded form. Each one of these digits or these values can be written as part of the expanded form. So you start with your 3,000, then you add on your 600, then you have your 70 and your 2. All together, when you would put each together, you'd end up with 3,672. So if you just slow down and stretch the number out, 3,672, you would be able to get your expanded form. Now it's your turn to try. We have the number 7,492. Start by saying it to yourself and really stretching it out. You should be able to hear 4 distinct numbers. Now the 7, 4, 9, and 2 don't just mean 7, 4, 9, 2. You start with the 7. The 7 actually means 7,000. As you continue to stretch the number out, you would hear a 492. All together, you end up with 7,492. Now, can you use that stretched out form to help you to write your expanded form? Go ahead and pause the video and write it out on a piece of paper or a whiteboard. When you're ready to check your answer, start the video again. Welcome back. Using what you had heard, you should be able to stretch it out and hear that you have a 7,000, a 400, a 90, and a 2. Altogether, your expanded form should look like this. When you read it quickly back together again, it should sound like 7,492. Let's check. 7,492. 7,492. So expanded form really is nothing more than just saying the number slowly and hearing each part. The big thing is not letting yourself get confused. This is not a 7 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2. It is a 7,492. It's exactly how you would say it aloud, not how you see it on paper. Go ahead and move on to the next activity on your center.